Hello kids, welcome to my channel Easy Tricks for Study. So today we are going to learn multiplication by lattice method. 2 digit by 1 digit. So let's take the example of 53 multiplied by 8. So whenever you are using the lattice method, if there is a 2 or 3 digit number, we have to write its expanded form. So 53's expanded form is 50 plus 3. Now we'll make 3 columns and 2 rows. In the first box, there will be the multiplication sign. Then the expanded form will come in the left 2 boxes. Now this 8 will come here. Now, whenever you are using the lattice method, we'll hide the 0. If we hide the 0, then it will be 8 5s are. 8 5s are 40. We did not count this 0. That's why this 0 will come here down as 400. Now, 8 3s are. 8 3s are 24. But here any 0 is not there. So, 24 will be as it is. Now, we will add these numbers. 400 plus 24. Now, 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. And here any number is not there. That's why this 4 will come here as it is. So, we have our answer as 424. Now, let's take one more example of 86 multiplied by 5. So, the expanded form of 86 is 80 plus 6. Now, in the first box, the multiplication sign, and in the left 2 boxes, the expanded forms, and here the 5. Now 5 8s are 40 and the 0 will come here down as 400. Now 5 6s are 30. Here any 0 is not there, that's why 30 will be as it is. Now we will add these numbers. First 400 plus 30. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. Here any number is not there, so this 4 will come here as it is. So, we have our answer as 430. Now, let's take the last example of 99 multiplied by 7. So, the expanded form of 99 is 90 plus 9. Now, in the first box, the multiplication sign, and in the left 2 boxes, the expanded form. Here, the 7. 7 9s are 63, and the 0 will come down as 630. Now, 7 9s are 63. Here any 0 is not there, that's why 63 will be as it is. Now, we'll add these numbers. 630 plus 63. 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. And here any number is not there. That's why this 6 will come here as it is. Now, we have the answer 693. Thank you.